Hello everybody, I am the Craftacular creator and today I am sharing a process video for a sweet scene at the park where many mice enjoy their ice creams and lollies from the ice cream van. In this video I share how to create a scene, frame it and use strips of coloured paper to add a banner. Before I begin, I would like to ask you to get clicky for Vicki. This is my own catchy way of asking you to like, share, comment and subscribe. For this card I used the For the Love of Stamps Ice Cream Fun Day, the Lawn Fawn Quilted Backdrop Die, Crazy Antics, Dandy Day, Virtual Friends, Bubbles of Joy, Veggie Happy, and Rainbow Ever After 12 by 12 patterned paper in Alice. Firstly, Maggie, my crafting supervisor, checks that all is in order for me to begin colouring. She stays for a moment to remind me to display the marker caps and then, because she's a cat, knocks the lid over. I'm watched for a short time and once she is happy that everything is running smoothly, she lets me get on with it. I speed up this process because, to be honest, I still haven't managed to get the caps clear enough to see on the screen, and again there are so many images to colour. I know some viewers enjoy the process, so I've kept it in, but I've also added chapters so that you can skip to the assembly of the card. I will continue to search for ways to get clearer images on the screen for you. Even after a year of content creation on YouTube, I am still learning. Thank you for your patience. With the images coloured and fussy cut, I laid them out on the meadow backdrop die that I chose to use instead of the quilted backdrop die listed earlier in the supplies section of the video. I die cut the backdrop from Spiffy Speckles patterned paper in Pesto and Robin's Egg. I add the ice cream van first as it's the largest piece with liquid glue and then add in a couple more images here and there. Before I proceed much further in building the scene, I want to add the stitched frame. Die cut from Rainbow Ever After in Aurora, rather than the Alice. This pattern shows off the colours a little better. I add this using foam strips. I then add a banner cut from bunting borders in white cardstock to the frame. Off screen I use another sheet of Rainbow Ever After in Rapunzel to cut the triangle bunting. I like how this coordinates all of the colours together. I attach this using liquid glue. the bunting and frame added, I continue to build the scene. My mice queue politely and patiently for the ice cream. The other mice are enjoying a picnic. I add the images with a mixture of liquid glue and foam squares. The supervisor returns to make sure all parameters are accounted for. She would give Deputy Heidi a run for her money, I am sure. Fans of Craft Roulette, if you know, you know. I add a tiny gold gem to one of the paws of the mice so that he can pay for his ice cream. I cannot deny that I love this little detail the most. I got the purr of approval from Maggie and my card is complete. Lots going on in this scene which I love and cannot wait to see what the little lone fawn mice get up to next. This card was inspired by episode 207 of Craft Roulette. The parameters can be seen on the screen. It's an A2 card. I definitely have ice cream store colours. There is lots of tasty ice cream and the banner is added in the shape of bunting. With mention of Craft Roulette and parameters and Deputy Heidi this week, I have included a slide of what it's all about and hope, if you haven't already, subscribed for Craft Roulette's YouTube channel. It is so much fun. Thank you so much for watching and please remember to get clicky for Vicki. It would mean the world to me. Ta-ta for now everyone, take care and I will be back soon.